Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video the unboxing of the Sony CyberShot 14.1 megapixel camera DSC-W350. Without further ado, let us start the video. So this is the box from the top, the side, the back, the other side, the top and the bottom. This product itself was released to the public 10 years ago. We still have the logo of the World Cup 2010 on there. Full HD was the biggest thing back then. Nowadays we have cameras that can record 4K. Not the case with this camera on screen, only 720. So let's get into the box itself. And what do we have? We have the camera. Move that to the side for the moment. In the box, we have the charger itself, the camera battery. We will be inserting that today. Another charger, USB 2, and those 3 pins. Insert this into your television, into your camera. View the photos and videos on your TV. Also for data transfer, this goes into the camera. The USB can go into the computer, and then we can see the photos and videos from the computer. Some more instructional manuals. The CD. Man, this itself looks very obsolete. CDs, no longer relevant in today's day and age. We don't need all this. Move this to the side. And here is the star of the show, the camera itself. The Sony CyberShot DSC-W350. When this was released in 2010, it was very revolutionary, ahead of the time. We have space for a memory card, believe it or not, can go up to 64 gigabytes. That itself will be another video. The battery, lithium ion. And how do we turn this on? From the top, on, off. Record your photos, videos. Take the photos, record the videos. We have place for a camera stand. If I turn this on now, there is no memory card, but that is for another video. Oop. Take the photo. Yep. And that is the photo that was taken now. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial, science technology video. Thanks for now.